It's your boy Handy Andy back with another unboxing. This time we're going to be unboxing the Ninebot Kickscooter E2. This is the entry-level kick scooter, perfect for kids or first-time riders. I'm going to be taking it out of the box and installing it right out of the box. Is it any good? Folks, you're going to have to wait and see. Let's find out with this unboxing. So here it is out of the box, a little bit of plastic that it comes with, but what you'll notice is that it is not fully installed. So there is some minor installation that needs to occur. Here I am basically trying to get all of that plastic or that stuff on each side that prevents it from scratching. I want to get all that out of the way before I do the actual installation. One thing I should note, I took this out of the box. I have not read any instruction manuals. I wanted to see if I could just, intuitively figure out how this E2 goes together. So the first thing was to get it to sit up on the platform by dislodging the kickstand. Now I'm putting the kind of frame together, and I'm just, again, not using any, just kind of trying to figure it out for the first time. One thing I noticed is I couldn't kind of get it to fit, and that's because I had it going the wrong way the whole time. If I looked up at the handlebars, I would have noticed that, but I was so stuck in my ways. But here I finally got it right. Now it fits perfectly and it's secure. Then I noticed that there was this red tape on, so I wanted to read and see what that was all about, because the fact that it's red, that tells you they want you to read it and it's something important. So it is kind of stuck on. I had to go and get a knife to cut it open just to make sure that everything was off before I took it for a ride. Once it was off, I had an opportunity to read it, to see what it was all about. And what I will do is take this side off. Let me see if I can just cut it over here for a second. Stuff's really, really sticky. But here I am, gonna bring it over, and you know what it says? It says a big stop. Read this with a QR code. So you definitely want to follow the instructions and not be like what I did and continue going on. But I've installed a lot of these e-scooters, so I'm pretty familiar with all the steps that it requires. So now I got everything off. I'm just kind of looking at the display for the first time. It's got that kind of cover that kind of shows you what it looks like without it actually being on. So that's that little display. Again, I'm going to take that and put it away. Now it does come with an Allen key, and that's basically to tighten up the screws once you put everything in place. So that's really the installation of it all, and it's pretty interesting that you can get one of these e-scooters in a box and have it up and running in virtually minutes with just a minor installation. All you need is an Allen key. Now I wanted to see how much it weighs. It weighs 31 pounds. Noticing right now that it's pretty light. Wouldn't have any issues getting this up and down stairs if I was using it on public transportation. So for kids and first-time riders, I think they're gonna like that it's lightweight, very easy to kind of put down, fold down, and then put back up. So you could dislodge it, lodge it back up in no time. Now that I have everything working, I know this is an unboxing, but I gotta try it out. Gotta try it out for a second, and there I go. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of the Ninebot Kickscooter E2. If you do buy this is everything that you're gonna get outside the box. Be sure to watch my other video where I put it to test with two other e-scooters from Segway Ninebot, the F2 Plus and also the Max G2. That is the big daddy. That one is the creme de la creme of e-scooters, and what makes it different is that it has suspension. I'm Andy Baryer, Handy Andy, signing out. Be sure to like, subscribe, and watch that other video for a review of these Ninebot e-scooters.